welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And it's a beautiful morning today. Now, on the mix, we have Maxine, and Maxine is still on her saga with those people that she has problems with, or the people that she's thinking that she has problem with, and she's still writing up her stuff, talking about them, and I guess every situation or everything that they have done to hurt her, and she's speaking on that. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a beautiful day.
See some of uno people, uno no know no place, uno no know when to talk, uno no know when to say nothing at all. Uno do not know when to keep uno dirty mouth shut and come out of people business. And that's why enough of uno they get caught up into stuff that uno not supposed to get caught up into. But I don't have any time for foolishness or for foolish people. Okay? And as I said, it must goes on with Donna. Donna, trust and believe you're going to learn. You're going to learn. Oh yes, people go fight for you, they always will fight for you. But you and your Plankatarians them, and your admin, and all of uno will learn one day. One day. See the whole of they fall out right now. Everybody they fall out from the need to know. Everybody around they fall out. You know see it? Yeah man, it's still they go on. Somehow no shame. Yes, this is for you, Chris. Somehow no shame, I don't want to come out and talk about it. This is for your majesty. I'm going to be very nice tonight. Very, very nice. But it still have to burn. Going to be very nice, even to Ashanti. Ashanti, your days are numbered. Time is catching up on you. Your name, your days are so numbered. So numbered. Hope that is good enough. Your days are so numbered. It's unbelievable. You and your whole entire family, from your granny go right down to your pitney them. Matlock, your blue old Matlock. You all want me to put one angle to you. Something tonight might be. Yeah, if you blue old Matlock. Where the pitney then they drop out one by one. Can't find a man to sit down with. You will never find a man to sit down with. Nobody don't want to with so much pitney. 7 pitney, 7 different people. My God Almighty, your bun, your bust the braille record. 7 pitney, 7 different people. That's bad. That's very, very bad. And you want to argue with people, Lord. Oh yes, Lord. You get a little splutters. You get splutters all over you. Yes. Oh my God, you must be exhausted. Lauren, you got to be exhausted for everything that's going on around you, in your house, everywhere. Dirty Michelle, 7-2 now will make it no better. Not making it no better for you. It's getting worse. I know Bob want me to acknowledge him. I don't want to acknowledge Auntie Bob. I do not want to acknowledge Auntie Bob. Tomorrow it's going to be red. Red. Yes. Erica, Missy say you try to jump out. I cause. Missy say you try to jump out to people see you and feel sorry for you or whatever. You're done into the shit deep down into your knee. Yes, T-girl. See, Princess come out there defend your T-girl. She wants something from you. She's an abuser. She's a user. But so is all of you. What's Matlock name on Facebook? She ain't got no Facebook page. Her name is Shelly Ann Williams. But she ain't got no Facebook page. None at all. They can't get no Facebook page. They too pretty. They too pretty for Facebook. Too pretty for Facebook. Lady V. Did I say it 3 times? Lady V. You were warned before you start doing all of this crap. You come out here like you're a bullbuck and Duppy Conqueror. Well, you're just Duppy Conqueror right now. That's all you are. You're gonna be a thing of the past just like everybody else. latest Bam Bam and Observant TV, I realized that you're kind of quiet. Very quiet. You should stay quiet though. You should stay very quiet. Very, very quiet. And for all of you who think you're a bold buck and duppy conqueror, you're not. There's a higher power than you guys. Very, very higher power. You understand? There's a very higher power than you guys. Oh yes. Oh yes, I didn't. For Laura. For you, your daughter and your grandson, Miley, why name? Millie, yeah. Matlock name Shelly Fraser. No, Matlock name Shelly and Williams. Williams is her last name. Let me tell you something, Lauren. You, your daughter, and your grandson, Millie, that you said your husband is fooling around him, Millie. Fire for all of you. I don't care who you are. Lauren, you and your whole entire family born to see the fire if you don't make a changes. God now sleep, and God will give you everything that you deserve. Everything. Every single thing that you deserve, you're gonna get it. Guys, give me 2 minutes. We're going outside.